Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video, I am going to show you how to set notification reminder every 3 minutes. Go to settings, tap on notifications, tap on advanced settings. Here you can see the option repeat notification alerts. Tap on this one. Turn on this option. Then here you can see the option repeat intervals. Select 3 minutes. And you need to test with the message notifications also. Simply in this way we can set notification reminder every 3 minutes. So you need to select the option apps to repeat, and from here you need to select the applications also. Here I am going to select messages. Okay. So simply in this way we can set notification reminders every 3 minutes. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.